inequalities. To solve the inequality, we use the critical values method. Here we solve the equation, so we treat the inequality as an equation. We use equal sign, and to solve the equation, just set the left hand side always positive, always 2x minus 1, and the right hand side positive and negative. So we have two possible combinations. So from the first equation, just open up the brackets and then subtract 2x from both sides, you get only x on the right, and subtract 3 from both sides, you get minus 4 on the left. And from the other equation, open up the brackets and then add 3x to both sides, you get 5x on the left, and add 1 to both sides, you get minus 2 on the right, and then divide both sides by 5, we get the other solution. So there's no need to check in this case because we have modulus on both sides. Of course, if you plug in, the solutions will satisfy the modulus equation. So now we're solving the inequality. We draw a number line, we put the solutions to the equation here on the number line. We call them the critical values. So this means we have 3 intervals to check. So we have 3 possible intervals for the final answer: smaller than minus 4, in between minus 4 and minus 2/5, or greater than minus 2/5. So to check which interval we can use, just plug in random number on each interval. So for this interval, we can plug in anything smaller than minus 4, for example minus 10. You plug into the equation and use a calculator. Don't forget to use the absolute value in the calculator, the ABS button. So if you plug in minus 10, you will get 21 on the left, 27 on the right. 21 is smaller than 27. That means we can use the left interval. And for the middle interval, we can use anything in between minus 4 and minus 2/5. I'm using minus 2 here. Use a calculator, you get 5 on the left, 3 on the right. 5 is not smaller than 3, so we cannot use the middle interval. So for the right interval, we can use 10, and you get something smaller on the left, which means you can use the right interval. So the final answer is the left and the right interval. X is less than minus 4 or greater than minus 2/5. Alright, I'll see you again next time.